Hello everyone, hi Capricorn. This is the reading for you, January 2021 monthly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Capricorn, Earth sign, let's see your messages for January 2021. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Under the deck, 8 of Wands. Communication is coming in your way. Back and forth communication. Someone want to communicate you. Okay. I think some changes are coming in your life and the changes are coming very fastly. 8 of Wands, fast moving energy, guys. So Capricorn, in recent past, what I'm seeing here, definitely stand by your power. There is a lot of potential. You are very grounded. And 4 of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. I think in recent past, everything is okay in career wise and in relationship wise. You both are in good terms. In career wise, definitely Ace of Pentacles. You have financial stability too. You have very good relationship with your person. I think you both are twin flames, 11 and 11. Okay. But what now going between you and your person? 4 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. Someone is coming towards you. Someone is rushing towards you. And 4 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles. I think you are holding back your feelings right now. And 2 of Pentacles. I think you have to make some decision. There is juggling. Definitely one person in this connection undergoing some juggling. I think it's you. You are undergoing some juggling. But someone is rushing towards you. They are in very rush. And you are undergoing some transformation. Death is also here. Yeah. I think things are turning in your favor. I think you are becoming very popular. The star card is here. And you see the life in a very positive way. You are very hopeful for your life. And 9 of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah. Capricorn. But you are holding back. I think this means you are not expressing your feelings even though you have feelings because you are stubborn. And 2 of Pentacles, definitely there are some juggling either in financial way or in a relationship way. Definitely there is some juggling and someone is coming towards you. Knight of Swords with a lot of they are in rush. They want to come towards you very fastly, but you are undergoing some transformation. Death card is here. Yeah, things are turning out into your favor. The star with 9 of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. So what I'm seeing here, so the person you involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aquarius, or Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Justice. So first we will see your person current feelings. King of Pentacles, the star. Wow, 2 times you got star card and Ace of Swords. Definitely I think some communication is coming in your way, truth coming out, and the star and King of Pentacles, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, they are rushing towards you. I am seeing long-term stability is coming in your relationship. The star, definitely they see you as their star for their life. And Ace of Swords, definitely brand new beginning and some honest communication, truth coming out. Yeah, King of Pentacles, definitely your person already they have a lot of financial stability. They want to offer stability to this connection. But yeah, they're thinking about you very positively. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Under the deck, 6 of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer equal give and take. So Capricorn, your person near future actions towards you. Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, yeah, again Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take and there is no commitment in this connection, but now your person thinking about to offer commitment. Yeah, Ten of Swords, I think you are fed up with that energy because your person could be non-committal in past, but now your person want rebirth in this connection. And yeah, they really want rebirth. There may be some spying. They may be spying on your social media, some communication, some messages are coming in your way. Yeah, they really want to offer equal give and take in this connection. Yeah, Six of Pentacles is here. They want rebirth in this connection. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, they want to test the waters. If you are in separation, Princess of Swords is here. Spying, some spying is going between both of you. I think your relationship is upgraded to next level, what I am seeing here, because King of Pentacles, they want to offer stability and equal give and take. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Whew. 2 cards are filled down. So let's see the outcome from universe. Strength, and wow, Gemini, the Lovers. I think Six of Pentacles 3 times. It is crazy. Yeah, Chariot, and under the deck the Fool. Definitely they want to offer brand new beginnings with you. If you are in separation, yeah, I think in past there is no equal give and take, what I am seeing here, but now your person want to take this relationship to next level. The Chariot, I think this relationship has potential already. Yeah, the Strength card, I think your relationship is going to be very strong, okay, in day by day. Definitely near future it is going to be very strong, and definitely there is love between both of you. The Lovers is here, and equal give and take. I think this relationship, what I'm seeing here, there is upgrade. Yeah, I think you both want to take this relationship to next level, and this relationship has strong potential, what I am seeing here. Very long term going between both of you. Definitely there is long term. So your person could be Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Leo, or Cancer. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Capricorn, the Fool, Ten of Wands, Page of Wands, and Magician. Definitely you are manifesting everything in your life. You are trying to manifest money, career, love, everything. And Page of Wands, communication. I think one person may be younger than the other person in this connection. Some communication is coming in your way. Ten of Wands, I think you are overburdened during this month due to responsibilities, due to your work, whatever. You are feeling overburdened. And the Fool, yeah, but you are going to be free and you are going with the flow. In love there are some brand new beginnings, and you want to take leap of faith in relationship, and definitely you are going with the flow. This is very good energy, Capricorn. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Temperance, wow, the Sun, Five of Wands. Yeah, Princess of Pentacles, some messages. For some it could be apology. Five of Wands, lot of drama involved between both of you. And the Sun, definitely they are thinking about very positively, and they want reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, that is commitment, marriage. And Temperance, definitely they want balance in this connection, and they want to restore balance in this connection if there is no balance in past, okay. So the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So what I am seeing overall, there is you both want to take this relationship to next level. There is upgrade in this relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.